Hey everyone, if you're getting a Vercel build error in 2026, like failed builds or red error logs, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Vercel build error problem step by step. First, open Vercel and carefully check your build logs. This will show exactly where the error is coming from. Next, look for syntax errors in your code, such as missing brackets, typos, or broken imports. I mean, even small mistakes can break the build. Now make sure all dependencies are installed correctly. Missing packages are one of the most common causes of build failure. After that, verify your framework setup, especially for Next.js or React projects. I mean, incorrect configuration can cause deployment issues. Next, check your environment variables in Vercel settings. Missing API keys or wrong values can stop the build process. Now, confirm your build command and output directory are correct. I mean, wrong settings here will break deployment. After that, clear your build cache and redeploy the project. Cached data can sometimes cause repeated errors. Finally, reinstall dependencies locally by deleting node modules and running a fresh install. I mean, this fixes hidden package issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Vercel build error problem in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your project should build successfully again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more deployment tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone!